So, what's the news on the virus? Yeah, uh, COVID's out of control. No, COVID is yesterday's news. Monkey Pox. It's a racist virus we made so white supremacists can call African people monkeys. Huh? Made? Yes, we're a pharmaceutical company. We make bioweapons. This one was purposely named racially. You said we cure viruses. Well, that's not entirely. You mean it was all lies? What's next? Are you gonna tell me Joe Biden's a robot? He's not fully human. He's a human drone hybrid that runs on sleep. Everything I was told is a lie. Not lies. Half truths. You didn't have the clearance. So you're telling me it's propaganda about gay men needing to be vaccinated? No, it's not entirely propaganda. We just wanted panic to set in during Pride Month so people would rush to start spending money on vaccines so they could, you know, defend their life choices. So the vaccines don't work. Work? Son, the only thing that works in America are Mexicans. What's next? A virus that requires bringing back lynchings? Reinstating Jim Crow? Somebody write that down. Oh my god. Yes! This is all good stuff. Start a Facebook page. Get suggestions. Time for them Neuralink chips to go in their brains.